The Accordion widget is a tool developed by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin to let you implement the accordion layout inside your blog page. Its applications are similar to the all-known Accordion widget. Let's see how it works. From Layout, you can increase the item height and expanded width of the item upon hover. Moving on to the Style tab, the Items section lets you adjust the content width placed on above the image. Using glass morphism effect, you can blur the post images and let them viewable upon hover. And there is the overlay color option for the post images. The title section has color, typography, shadow and spacing option included. Now let's customize the category that is located on top of the titles. For now, changing the color and spacing seems sufficient. Oh, and there's color options for the meta text below the titles. Adjust the spacing to properly arrange them.